Kimopo Nairobi ona wameona na inyuĩ ndatiga Nairobi ya tondu riu ni ndainuka kwa nyina wa Nderitu wakwa. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. The reason I am singing these songs relating to Nairobi is what we saw on Friday. Friday last week. I came here on Saturday. I tried to explain. I could not. Tugithie na Kimemia hare town. Tukora a very nice shop written sound with church equipment inside. Speakers. Yeah. Na hau niho ndiririkanire wega ta wega. Someone had decided to surprise this church. Na tugurire one big speaker. Bass speaker. Sorry? Oh, bass. Morris, thank you for the correction. No geka miwani uguo. Oganuo. You've been narrated. Yeah? You can give him a high five. Yeah. So we went inside. Kimemia wetu ajuaji. Aje kamera. Hey! Tuna ngiri 45. Turatumirwo ni mundu wi murimu. Murimu uria turerwo Qatar. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Let me teach you something, Kimemia. That is called Middle East. The only relationship Middle East has with UK is that when an aeroplane flies from Kenya, it first lands in Dubai. That is the only relationship. Then moves all the way to UK. Where do you don't know? Mundu uyu gune shirwa JP Portman. Mundu ungi witagwo Steve wa kure UK. Yeah, na ngahwa keyboard tondu ni agithire rita rimwe. Ndungimukiria. Yeah, ndungimukiria. You cannot. Yeah? Gamini, shut up and listen. Stupid. Uneke uragari komwera. Wewe kondo koraihu ana thiti ha Dubeli. I've never seen that. I have never. So, ladies and gentlemen, Kimemia aikarete counter-ini uguo, counting the speakers, counter-checking the prices. Mundu ratwendageria hau, arona, these are cowards. Minus Ithe wa Nderitu tondu because I am not a coward. Yeah? I called Koge investor. Ndamwira twi haha duka-ini ya kugura equipments. Kimemia no ratumirwo bia. Yeah, because my phone cannot connect to said wave. Cannot. Yeah? So I gave the number. Yao. I did not realize. Gossip will take you nowhere. Mundu ucio araturehera gicipika hau. We carried 8 to the pickup. Ya Kimemia. Na turamikira na hau na turahinga ko. Yeah. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Twakinya muthaiga kaundu karanjira. Chairman. Umai. Uthiurore. Yeah. Behold. Dauma uguo. Kimemia anjira ona ni nguka kurora niki kiu. Ugetuma ugembu. Let me tell you. Ndirakora 2 big boxes. Theinie, guess what? Harare na nyeki ya hay. Ndauga, hey! What are these? Yeah? So, ladies and gentlemen, hey, omuna na hauja. Those could be speakers. If not for this coward. Kimemia, you will vacate from this church. Tugutumeka nitha wa Mwea, kana tugutumeka nitha wa Elbagon. Yeah. Together we cannot nawe uguo. We cannot. So, ladies and gentlemen, mahoya turadiretaga kwi Gamini age. But now, Kimemia is the victim. nĩ ũndũ mũrambiri gũcera na kamwenji, ngona kamwenji pikabu-inĩ yaku ĩihũire ndogo. Ngari nĩ wathondekire rĩu ndĩtogaga, but where is the smoke coming from? At the cockpit? No, that is dashboard. Where is it coming from? So ladies and gentlemen, choir, come and sing.